Alright, let's measure this wire out for the length we need it. Put it right here. Okay. While I'm making the wiring harness, my brother, he's gonna run the DC to DC charger wires back here and through the wall for me up to the front. So that's what he's doing. Yep, now I'm connecting these together. Okay, we got them in there. Now I got to crimp it. Crimp it. Then you pull it, make sure it don't pull out. Then I'm gonna do my black wire the same way. How short is it? All right, now I'm gonna strip this wire that's gonna go up towards the front and butt splice it into here and butt splice this into here. Purple's gonna go with the purple. Crimp it. Pull it. Same way I'll be with the black. Strip it. Here. It's in there. No threads showing. And crimp it. Now that's nice and together. All right, and we can heat shrink it. I always use my torch. There we go. Pretty. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the purple. If you look, both of them are connected now. I'll put some tape on this. That'll run out to my light. Then I'll run down this way to my next dropout, cut it, and do the same thing. Had to go and get me some good old iced sweet tea. Here's my helper here, my other helper, Max. He knows how to do this now. Don't you, Max? Come on, buddy. Cheers. You did?
Yeah, and I gotta get to work.
Alright. Any drop-offs we got, Boogie? Alright, I gotta put my ring terminal on my wires here to connect to my 12-volt fuse block. But I'm gonna run these wires down from the top first without this on. Be easier without this connected to it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my loom on. Let's take this. That much for my to connect in. I'm gonna take this, put it like so. Slide my loom on here, like so. And then take my tape, wrap around like this. Put that up there, and my loom's on. Then I just take my wires, run through the loom. Oops. Right back in. I think I'm gonna have to go get some more loom too. I only got 2 of them. Run this loom to our light dropout, which is right here. And I'll go here like this. Let's see. Run these in here like so. Put some tape around this, because I could use some 3/8 loom there, but only have 1/4 inch. Then I'll take this side, tape it like so, and run my loom on this. Get this one out. Run it on my drop off here. Tape up here. Run my loom on here. Like so. Oops, fell off. Don't do it like that. Get it on here like this. Push it up to the other piece of loom. Wrap my tape around like so. Come around this way. I got it backwards. Like that. And then we got it. Run this down. And this will go to one of my put lights. See how I did it? Just drop off to my put light. Then I just continue with this one down to my next light again. Get the loom. There's my next dropout to my next put light, and I'll go through the same process as what I did with the first light. Look at that right there. That's some pretty work. I don't care what nobody says. Oh man, look what I did.
Good.
That's the wrong end.
Wrong end. What are you doing?
Move this way.
Oh.
Over there.
Straight.